everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Isma from Management Program. Here I will be doing the assignment from Miss Nunun, which is writing. Chapter 2. Promoting using media. What do you see in the picture above? Of course, you have ever seen the promotion using the different medias. For instance, you see the advertisement of an e-commerce in your phone. Then you see it again on a TV. It shows that the company seems to use the different medias to advertise its product or service. This chapter will let you to know more about this topic. What is the distinction between advertising and sales promotion? Advertising provides a compelling cause to purchase anything, meanwhile sales promotion offer an incentive to buy. The main consumer sales promotion tools include the following: A. Sample. B. Coupon. C. Cash refund offer. D. Price reduction agreement. A. Premium gift. F. Frequency program. G. Price. H. Patron award. A. Free trial. J. Product warranty. Public relation. Public relation are another marketing tip. A company must engage productively with a vast pool of public interest in addition to its buyer, distributors, and retailers. Public relation plays a critical function in raising community brand awareness. Marketing public relation is used to present a company to the general public, particularly when competing with other business in the same area. According to Thomas L. Harris, 2006, the emergence and development of marketing public relation (MPR) can now be seen from the existing phenomena, namely, public relation has grown into a large and profitable industry. MPR is the largest and fastest growing component of an industry that is rapidly expanding. Companies have increased their expenditures and pay scales in response to the growing relevance of marketing public relation. The marketing and business media are becoming more interested in public relation. There is a growing interest in public relation among academics. The role of public relation. A. Publication. Publication are organizing publication or disseminating information through various media about the activities or activities of companies or organizations that deserve to be known by the public. After that, it generates publicity to get a wider positive response from the public. Example: in the implementation of publicity, PT Gojek uses social media as the main publication medium. This is an implication of the use of PT Gojek towards the internet and smartphones. New media and social media used include Twitter. B. Event. An event is designing a particular event, or better known as a special event that is selected in a certain period, place, and object with a special nature to influence public opinion. Example: in order to support large event, PT Gojek Indonesia can introduce its company and serve as a point of promotion so that people are more aware of activity in Yogyakarta to bring together young technocrats from all over the country to change Indonesia starting with yourself and starting now. The event will take the form of a tournament hosted by GoVideo.com. C. News. Attempts to create news through press releases, newsletter and bulletins, and others. Public relation officer. Pro. Like it or not, must have the ability to write because most of his duties are for writing, PR writing, especially in creating publicity. Example: the news that is usually made by Gojek is news about the cooperation between Gojek and other companies, which is published through Gojek website or the other mass media. D. Community involvement. holding social contact with particular community groups in order to preserve positive relation, community relation, and human relation with the organization or institution they respond is known as community involvement. Example, PT Gojek Indonesia works with a variety of communities and welcomes new one to join, such a motorcycle taxi driver who want to become Gojek partners or SMEs, small and medium enterprise, or food outlet who want to join one of the features of Gojek, namely GoFood. Inform or image, which is to explain the audience something or draw attention to something in the hopes of receiving a positive response from the process of trying nothing to become something. Those who do not know become like when they learn, and something is expected to emerge, notably in the form of an image. By providing what people need, Gojek helps to get a positive image from the community. F. Lobbying and negotiation. Lobbying and negotiation is the ability to lobby and negotiate that are indispensable for a public relation officer, PRO, so that all planned ideas or activities of an institution or organization before being introduced to the community need an approach to reach an agreement deal or obtain support from individuals and institutions that influence. Therefore, a win-win solution areas. Example, Gojek also carried out a lobbying and negotiation process for motorcycle driver to get them to be more organized under the auspice of Gojek. G. Social responsibility. Social responsibility is an aspect of a company's social responsibility and does not only think about material benefits for the institution or organization and the figures it represents, but also a concern for the community to achieve success in gaining sympathy or empathy from its audience. Example, during the bombing in Sarina, Gojek also helped by evacuating people to safer places for free. Personal selling. Personal selling is when a seller and a potential customer communicate directly with one another. Direct communication with customers is targeted specially to get an immediate response. Personal selling is normally done in person, although it can also be done over the phone. Face-to-face selling allows salespeople to tailor the company's marketing mix to each potential customer, but this individualized attention costs money, while face-to-face selling is thought to be very expensive. Often, this effort must be combined with mass selling and sales promotion. When the internet is used and in connection with personal selling, a company's sales and market share can increase. In addition to reducing sales for users, personal selling via the internet is considered effective and has double value. Personal selling on the internet is packaged on the company's official website, showing all product and pricing details. Customers who visit the website can as easily get information and are interested in paying. Personal selling strategy on the internet is very efficient compared to door-to-door. The key is that markets must respond to potential customer inquiries as quickly as possible so as not to turn to competitors. When customers are satisfied with the ease of choosing and buying a product, they will spread the service to others. In other words, customers are also part of the marketer indirectly. Okay, everyone, thank you for listening. More or less, I apologize.